Don't let anyone tell you there's a trick to making the perfect creme brulee. The pan of hot water is gonna create the steam bath we need, so let's get that going first. 2 cups of cream, a large vanilla bean, and that's not dirt there. It's the seeds, and that's where all the flavor is. If you don't have vanilla beans on hand, that's okay. You can use vanilla paste or extract will do just fine. Get that simmering and infuse in the flavors. I feel something peculiar. A flavor I haven't sensed before. It's spicy, mysterious, deceptive. Whoa. Oh, honey, that beacon is sparkly enough to wake a sleeping disco goblin. And it's got my name written all over it. We had 4 yolks left over from our s'mores cupcakes frosting. You can whisk this by hand if you like, but why? This is called tempering, by the way. It raises the temperature of the eggs without making scrambled eggs. Now you know why we tempered into the large measuring cup. Make sure the water comes halfway up the sides of the ramekins and bake for 30 minutes. Could be the peach, could be a trap, could be Bungledorf trying to bait us with glitter again. That ain't peach, that's artificial glamour scent. Smells like one of my failed pastries. Fabulous, but fake. And yet, I must investigate for fashion, for flair, for the peach. Here's how to tell if they're done. You do the creme brulee jiggle. Just kidding. I still have it after 1,000 years. I can still jive with the best of them. It'll just jiggle in the middle a little bit. And here it is after a few minutes and after 5. Chill for 5 to 6 hours. This beat has no bounce. Who programs disco with a polka rhythm? Yep. Track confirmed. Spicy readings are too symmetrical. Real chaos ain't that neat. And yet, someone's watching us. I feel frosting fury in the air. They've entered the bait zone. Then, right before serving, sprinkle some sugar on top and torch it. You can also use brown sugar for a caramel flavor. Oh, hey, I just thought of something. I bet you could put some of our leftover caramel sauce that we used on top of the banana walnut cake to make a caramel creme brulee. Oh, now you got me thinking. You got me concocting. Oh, the flavors are endless. Oh no, it's just a beehive of activity. In 3, 2. Wait, you said they'd fall for it, not figure it out. Of course they won't. Sweet gravy, your nose is about to hit orbit. What gives? I am not lying, dadgummit. Well, well, if it isn't the Broken Nose Brigade!